Hey guys, it's Sikora with the Sikora Group here at Keller Williams. Today we're going to be going over different loan products that you can use to purchase your home. Alright guys, so different loan products that we're seeing today when it comes to purchasing your home. I'd say the most popular is definitely going to be your conventional financing backed by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. That's going to have your 20% down, your 10%, 15%, all the way down to 5%, which you can use on a condo, single family home, that sort of thing. The next thing we see is the FHA financing, which you can now buy with as little as, I believe, 3.5% down. We can verify with one of our lenders. And that lets you move into the home with a very minimal down payment. PMI rates, private mortgage insurance typically end up being a little bit more, but it also works well with lower credit scores too. So we see that as a popular option. 203K loans, similar to the FHA product, minimal down payment and whatnot, but you can actually go in and rehab a home. So they're going to give you the money to actually come in and do construction. They are going to monitor the work and make sure that it's done right through a qualified contractor. But that's a great product if you want to go in, renovate, buy a bank-owned foreclosed property or a short sale, something distressed, and really make it your own. And then the final product that we see not as often, but my wife and I actually just used one recently. It's called a HomeStyle loan. Similar to the 203K loan, you have to put a little bit more money down than that FHA style product, but what's nice about it is then you can use that on a condo. So FHA and 203K you typically can't use on a condo unless it's approved, but with a HomeStyle loan you can use it on a condo, and then you get to finance the construction costs at the end, again with a qualified contractor. But it really is a great product to use where you're just rolling it all in and they're giving the money at the end in draws. So if you guys have any questions about what's available out there product-wise, give me a ring. I can connect you with one of our preferred lenders and we can get everything squared away. Thanks so much.